Yeah, now question number 45. We
Yes,
will
sir.
start. This is also similar. Then after this question, we have to go to the model. Third model, I told you that about is given roots to find quadratic equation. That is next. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question number 41. Sorry, 43, right? 43 or 45?
Sir, 45,
45.
sir.
Question
Yes,
number
sir.
45. Root over 3x square plus x plus 5 is equal to x minus 3. You have to solve and you have to find the roots and you have to check that roots are satisfying this equation or not. That first squaring on both sides, then root over 3x square plus x plus 5 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square. Now here square root will get cancelled. Now right side will be in the form of a minus b whole square. I wrote for previous two problems a minus b whole square formula. No problem. I am writing once again a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula. Now square root cancel, remaining equation 3x square plus x plus 5 as it is. This only I wrote here. Then this is equal to a minus b whole square formula. A square x square minus 2ab, 2 into x into 3, that is 2 3 ja 6x minus 6x. Next b square plus b square, b means 3, 3 square is 9. Now x square 3x square, this is small, this is big. We can take all these three terms this side, then you will get first 3x square, then minus x square and plus x, and this taking this side plus 6x minus will be plus 6x and then plus 5, and this will be minus 9 is equal to 0. Now 3x square minus x square will be 2x square and x plus 6x will be 7x plus 7x. 5 minus 9 will be minus 4 is equal to 0. Now factorization, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, and we can write what, 8 1 ja 8, 8 minus 1 7. So we got 2x square plus 8x minus 1x. 8x minus x 7x minus 4 is equal to 0. From these two we can take common 2x common. Taking 2x common, more x is there, plus already 2 common, x common, 4 is there, more 4 is there. Minus 1 taking common, x is there already, minus common, plus 4 is there, is equal to 0. Now x plus 4 we can take common, taking x plus 4 common, and remaining here 2x and here minus 1 equal to 0. Now the roots, 0 product rule we have to apply. X plus 4 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now x plus 4 equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 4, and this is 2x is equal to plus 1, and x is equal to, taking to that side it will be denominator by 2. So 2 x values we got, and which values are correct we have to check now. For that we have to substitute in the quadratic equation which is under root. Now for x is equal to first value minus 4, we have to substitute minus 4 in this equation. Root over 3 into minus 4 whole square plus x, that is minus 4 plus 5 is equal to root over 4 4 ja 16, but minus na, minus it will be plus 16 3 ja 48 minus 4 plus 5, which is clearly root over 48 minus 4 will be 44 plus 5 is always greater than 0. So the truth is correct. Next, second root. For x is equal to 1 by 2, one more value we have 1 by 2. For x is equal to 1 by 2, root over 3 into x square, 3 into 1 by 2 whole square plus x plus 1 by 2 plus 5. Now 1 by 2 whole square will be 1 square 1 square 1, 2 square will be 4. Denominator is 4. Root over 3 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 1. So your denominator big value is 4. For 4, 2, 1, the LCM is 4. I am doing LCM, that is root over LCM is 4. Same as 3, you will get 3 1 ja 3. Here you have 2 na, 2 2 ja 4, 2 into 1 plus 2. And no need to do this total. Why? Because this is clearly greater than or equal to 0. Why? Because positive, 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 clearly greater than 0. We can write like this, greater than 0. Finish. For both values, we got greater than 0. Therefore, solution set is equal to what? Both values. One is what? Minus 4. One more is what? 1 by 2. This is the solution. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, copy this. Then we will go next model. Last for today class. So now, one more, that is, if given two roots, how you will find the quadratic equation? I told you, if alpha comma beta are the roots, then we have to take x equal to alpha and x equal to beta, then x minus alpha equal to 0, x minus beta equal to 0, then x minus alpha into x minus beta equal to 0. By expanding, you will get the quadratic equation.
Yes,
I
sir.
told you.
Yes, sir.
Now we have here one bit. From that bit, that is question number 46. We have three questions. Which one you want? I will give you. That is 46 question. First one, given two roots, 2 comma minus 3. Second one, given two roots, minus 3 comma 2 by 5. And the third one, given two roots, 2 by 5 comma minus 1 by 2. I will give you only one. Select one only. And one example is there. I will give that also. Example question.
Yes,
An
sir.
example, that is, the roots are minus 3 comma 5. The question will be given, find the quadratic equation whose solution set. Question will be given like this. Find the quadratic equation. Find the quadratic equation whose solution is nothing but roots only. Whose solution set is first one, second one, third one, and example. Which one you want? I will give that one. Tell me which one you want. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, which one you want? I will give that.
Sir, second one, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have given 2 minus 3 comma 2 by 5. Minus 3 comma 2 by 5. Two roots given. Solution set means two roots. Two roots given. Two solutions of the quadratic equation given. We have to find the quadratic equation. This is very important. Not only here. It is very important in intermediate second year also. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
let these are alpha is equal to minus 3. Beta is equal to 2 by 3. I am telling about case number 1. Let alpha is this, beta is this. We have, if alpha, beta are solutions of a quadratic equation, then x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. This is the equation. If you have two roots. So, first you have to find alpha plus beta. What is alpha plus beta? Minus 3 plus 2 by 3. LCM 3 3 is 9. But minus 9 plus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 7 by 3. And product of roots, alpha into beta. This is called sum of roots. This is called product of roots. Alpha into beta is what? Minus 3 into 2 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja cancel. Minus 1 into 2 will be minus 2. Then these two values substitute in this equation. Therefore, x square minus what is sum of roots? minus 7 by 3 into x plus product of roots. What is product of roots? Minus 2 equal to 0. Now yes, 3 is the denominator, right? So we can do LCM. A denominator 1, a denominator 1. 3 will multiple x square will multiple 2, that is 3 into x square, 3x square, minus into minus plus 7 into x, 7x, minus 2 3 is 6 by 3 is equal to 0. But this 3 into 0 again 0. Why? Because 3 is the denominator, na? So taking right
Yes, sir.
side, it will be numerator this. Therefore 3 into 0, 0. Therefore you will get the quadratic equation 3x square plus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0 is the solution. This is case number 1. When you remember this formula, this is the process. If you have no idea about that formula, if you forget that formula, then given two roots, I mean solutions, x is equal to 1 is minus 3 or one more, x is equal to 2 by 5. Now take this side, x plus 3 is equal to 0 or take 5 this side, then you will get what? 5x is equal to 2. Why? Because this is denominator, taking this side it will be numerator, and x plus 3 is equal to 0 as it is, or 2 taking this side it will be minus 2, then you will get what? 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this equal to 0, this equal to 0 by 0 product rule. What is that? If a is equal to 0 and or b is equal to 0, that implies a into b also equal to 0. A into b also 0. This equal to 0, this equal to 0, then we can write this into this is equal to 0 also is equal to 0, that is x plus 3 into 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now multiply x into 5x, 5x square. Here 1 minute. Here this is 2 by 5, not 2 by 3. You taken right wrong. Here 2 by 5 is there. Here we taken 2 by 3. Okay. We do one thing. Just change as 2 by 3 and keep that minus 3 comma 2 by 5 is also homework. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay na?
Okay, sir.
Otherwise we have to erase total that. That's why 2 by 3. Then I am taking here also 2 by 3, and this will be 3x, and this will be 3x, and this will be 3x, and this will be x into 3x will be 3x square, and x into minus 2 will be minus 2x, and then 3 3 ja 9x, and this minus into plus minus 2 3 ja 6 is equal to 0. Now 3x square, 9x minus 2x plus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Both are same. So if you follow any method, no problem. And right, this is also as homework, just a denominator 5. This is question number 2, right?
Sir.
This is the process of finding quadratic equation if given two solutions or two roots. Okay, copy this. We have one more last question for this exercise. Copy this first. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I can't hear anything, sir.
Now okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Write the question with me.
Yes, sir.
Find the value of k. Find the value of k. The last question. find the value of k for which x is equal to 3 is one root, for which x is equal to 3 is one solution, for which x is equal to 3 is a solution of the quadratic equation k plus 2 into x square minus kx plus 6 is equal to 0, plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay,
Okay, sir.
thus find the other root also. Find other root of this quadratic equation. Okay, right, listen. This is a quadratic equation. For this quadratic equation, x equal to 3 is a root.
Yes, sir.
Is clearly is mentioning that x equal to 3 is one root of this quadratic equation. Then what is the value of k is asking. See, root means that value should satisfies the equation. Up to now we completed those questions only. What we are finding the solution means should satisfy that. Okay, now here this x equal to 3 is the solution is saying. So this x equal to this 3 value we can substitute in this equation number 1, where this is equation number 1. Since x equal to 3 is a solution, we substitute x equal to 3 in equation number 1. Now substitution I am doing k plus 2 into x value 3 square minus k into x value 3 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now see, k plus 2 into 3 square. 3 square will be 9. K plus 2 into 9 minus 3k plus 6 is equal to 0. Now simplification, 9 into k, 9k. 9 to ja plus 18 minus 3k plus 6 equal to 0. Now we can find very easily k value. 9k minus 3k will be 6k. 18 plus 6 will be 6 plus 18, 24 plus 24 is equal to 0. Now 6k is equal to minus 24 taking right side. And 6 1 ja, 6 4 ja, then the k value is minus 4. And substitute this k value in equation number 1. Then you will get a quadratic equation. Substitute here k equal to minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2 into x square. And minus of minus 4 into x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now minus 4 plus 2 will be minus 2 x square. Minus into minus plus 4 x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now I am taking from this total equation minus 2 common. Taking minus 2 common, it will be plus x square. Already plus minus common minus. From 4 2 common more 2x. And from plus minus common minus. And 2 common 3, 2 3 ja is equal to 0. Therefore the quadratic equation will be x square minus 2x and minus 3 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Now we have to do factorization, then you will get one more root. 1 3 ja 3, therefore you can write x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we can take x common, remaining x minus 3 plus 1 common x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is already we are doing more, we done many sums. So taking x minus 3 common, remaining x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 1 value is 3, that is one solution is 3 already we have. Therefore one more solution is what? Minus 1. Therefore other solution is x is equal to minus 1. This is the answer. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So this is a complete exercise. We will discuss tomorrow or day after tomorrow. When it will possible, I will take them class. More new topic. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. How we will find roots? That is next topic. Okay. Copy
Okay, sir.
this, and I ask you to say your friends also.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
And please ask them to subscribe, okay?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Copy this.
Yes, sir.